Welcome! If you want to customize volume styles panel into your Honor 7X, first of all, open your Play Store and find volume styles application, this one. You need downloading and installing. I've already installed this application, so click open. Wait a second for first load, and then need to choose, for example, your volume styles, maybe like iOS. Click it and click Start button in the top. Then need to give accessibility for this application. Click here and one more time in your settings. Turn on, confirm OK. And now when we see Stop button in the top, our new volume styles panels activate. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.